Okay, so I have determined after trial and error that the toothpaste method alone for cleaning the headlights is pretty good. It gives you a shine. Definitely be able to see better with using the toothpaste method to clean your headlights. But I've also discovered that the 2000 grit sandpaper, along with the polishing compound and the rubbing compound, actually works a whole lot better. So my process was I started with regular toothpaste on the headlights. It gave me a pretty decent shine. And then I decided, well, let's try 2000 grit sandpaper. And then I decided, well, it's got a haze after using the sandpaper on the headlights. So I decided to go ahead, use the rubbing compound, and then I went ahead and polished it. So this particular high beam headlight looks great. And I believe this process will work very well for all of the lights. Toothpaste, rubbing compound, and 2000 grit sandpaper. Of course, you have to do a lot of rinsing off, but it works. Works for me, and it looks great.